You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of this acronym. What does TYSM or TYSM stand for? It means simply thank you so much. Thank you so much is what TYSM means, used in texting and chats and text messages and so on. More videos for you here to learn more about the meanings of different acronyms that are commonly used in texting. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.